Hey everyone, my name is Chris. Thanks for taking the time to check out the video today. Today I want to look at the SOS function, which is up here in the headliner. So the SOS is a button that you would open the cover here, and that orange button right there, that is what you would press if you have any questions, problems, roadside assistance, any assistance you need as you're driving. You would push that orange button right there, and that does call BMW Assist. They would come right through the car, right through the speakers, using the car's phone number, so it just comes right in. It's not using your phone that's connected to the car. They have the ability of just connecting to the car directly, and once they do, you can speak to them like you'd taking any phone call like you normally would. They are capable of assisting in many different ways, including roadside assistance. So if you do have any questions with that, please let them know what those are, and they'd be more than happy to assist you. And while we're on that, if we kind of take a look over here, there is always a sticker outward facing right there. That's BMW Roadside Assistance. That's in case anything was to happen and you possibly were locked out of the vehicle. You always can call that number and get to roadside assistance, but this one right here will be BMW Assist. So that's pretty much all I have here today. I know that's a pretty common thing. Customers ask what exactly that button is, what does it do? And they're actually afraid if they hit this, it'll call someone. But that's actually just a cover. The SOS is actually right in there as well. So again, my name is Chris. Please subscribe so you can always stay up to date with the latest content. And as always, stay healthy and safe out there.